It's a beautiful Saturday morning. As you can see from earlier, it's 3 in the morning I got up at, and I'm on my way right now to pick up my sister. We are going on a little road trip today, and the road trip is gonna just be all waterfalls all across New York, and it's gonna be hopefully awesome. I got about like 15 waterfalls on the list. Doubt we'll be able to make it to all of them, but we're gonna try our best. And yeah, so I'm just pulling in now. I'm just picking her up. Let's go say hi. She's quite the morning person. She's got a pillow and everything.
Oh, because I'm tired. Do you want to sleep? I can't.
Good morning, JoJo's. You look the same from yesterday. Good morning, everyone. Oh my gosh. So today I decided to do a winter frozen waterfall road trip, and I've been working and researching and planning out all these places I've been wanting to go to out in the Finger Lakes area. And right now we're near Green Lake State Park, and I found a place called Three Woods Falls. This is absolutely incredible, guys. So I'm here at Three Falls Woods, and pardon me, I gotta put my glove on. And it's absolutely stunning right now. I wasn't sure how this place was going to turn out to be. Especially on the way in, the creek bed and everything was all dry and so forth, but as we walked farther and farther, it just became more and more beautiful. And then you can hear the water running, and pardon me, and it's just absolutely spectacular. I'll show you right now where I'm walking to. Everything's ice, but man, look at that. Whew. Is that not beautiful or what? Oh. So they call it Three Fall Woods, obviously because there's 3 major waterfalls here that cascade from a cliff. And wow, the compositions here are endless. You got the mossy rocks with the waterfall in the background, lots of beautiful frozen ice, and it's got like that bluish tint to it. Man, it's stunning. So I found my next composition, and I believe it's going to be right here with the rocks leading up. Or actually, I'm actually going to go up here. This will be my next composition right up here. Let me get you guys a little closer. So, but this is just gorgeous. Oh boy. Very icy and slippery, that's for sure. Whew. Oh boy. Wow. Look at this. So this is just incredible. And this is just one part. This is the first part. There's the second one and then the third one all the way over there. And that's where my sister is right now taking some pictures. So I'm gonna just sit here and really enjoy this amazing scenery. And I'll show you the pictures at the end. Definitely check this place out. It's Three Falls Woods, and there's a parking lot right next to the address. You can Google map all this. You can drop the little guy down and see where the road is and do like the street view and everything. And man, it's a nature preserve trail, and it's like a half a mile in, not even. And you just walk straight in, follow the trail, and you'll find it. You can't miss it. But wow, this is beautiful. All right, guys. The second part here, the middle falls, and just as gorgeous as the first. This place is, it's beautiful. I've never seen anything like it before, and man, there's so many photos and compositions here. So, but yeah, right up here, take a look at this, guys. You can hear the water rushing underneath. I'm waiting to take that one step and yeah, no, I'm like standing here though, I can hear it. It's all running. This, like I said, I can't believe I almost skipped this. This is cool. Yeah. So this is the third waterfall here. And this is gorgeous as the other two. So I'm going to take a nice vertical shot right here leading up. And probably try to get closer to the falls. And hike back out and on to the next one. It's beautiful, guys. Definitely check this out for sure. Three Woods Falls. This is why I do this kind of stuff. I research and I research all these places, and honestly, it pays off every time. This place is not well known at all, and probably nobody really comes here. But it would be a photographer's dream, and definitely check this out, especially look behind me here. It doesn't get much better than that. So this place is in the town of Manlius, M-A-N-L-I-U-S, Manlius, New York, something like that. By Chittenden Falls, but it's glorious. It is definitely gorgeous. So I'm gonna take a couple more photos, one or two, and then it's time to go. And we got many other falls to go to. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you're ever in the area, if you like making a trip, like I did, it's about 3 hours drive for me. Do it. It's worth it. So I just want to show a video. This is walking away from the falls, going towards the parking lot. There's picnic tables. Beautiful house. It's not open to the public yet. And it's just a very short walk. Anyone can come back here. On the other side of the house here is the parking lot. So it's like 50 yards. Just a beautiful place. Come check out. And let's look. So, one last thing before I start heading back to the car. Those park rules, please follow those no matter where you are. I mean, it's going to be people that break one of those rules, and it's going to ruin it for everyone. And then places like this that are so beautiful, that have been accessible for almost a century, will be closed down. So please obey the rules and just enjoy it. Enjoy it for what it's worth. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next trip. So we're just at the beginning of the trail here, and right past there is the road, and you just park across the street. Surprisingly, it's 10:30, and oh my god, the lot's already full. So we had to double park somebody in. And here comes Dum Dum. Where are we? You can't pick her nose. Where? Oh, there you go. So yeah, really nice trail. It's flat, accessible for anybody really. Don't bring your sister if you come on this trail. So yeah, anytime we've come here in the summertime, it's always been dried up. Not much really to look at. So pretty anxious to see it in the wintertime. I guess everything just ices over and creates like a big wall of ice. So pretty excited to check it out now. But yeah, this is the trail so far. Real flat. And you just follow the creek bed here, and it takes you right up to the waterfall. And it's maybe like 1/10 of a mile, if that. So what's cool about this place though is they kept it as much preserved as they possibly could have. They didn't gut anything, they really didn't cut anything out. The steps that they added up going towards the waterfall, they used all natural things, and they really left it the way Mother Nature carved it out as, which is really nice. So, but be very careful when you come here, because it's very steep, and as you walk up the steps that they made, those are very steep as well, and it's very easy to fall off of or down. What's cool too is you can actually walk behind the waterfall through the middle. There's a big carve out, and that's pretty neat. So we're actually there. So I just came from all the way down there. That's the main trail. And then normally there's steps that go up there this way, but they're all frozen over, as you can see. So we came this way, up and down. And this is just incredible. Check this view out. I'm gonna try to get up in there. That's where Jolene is. Look at all this ice. Alright. Look at that. Stunning. There's Jelaine. Alright, I'm getting rain down here. Trying to put it away and climb up. I just got done climbing all the way up this way. And then, oh man, was that tough. But it was fun. Definitely worth it. So we're behind all the ice now in the prop out here, as you can see behind me. And man, it's just beautiful. Just absolutely incredible. We're gonna walk around and get some more photos and just enjoy this. This is absolutely insane. I love this. Definitely come here in the winter time, not the summer. The summer, it's like a trickle. But come in the springtime and in the winter, absolutely beautiful. Alright, we're gonna get some more photos. Look at this. That's awesome. Look at this, guys. It's just a wall of ice. Just gonna take a walk.
Cool, huh? Oh yeah? Pretty nice. Guys, hang on, wait up. Wait up, guys.
This is insane. Look at those icicles. And the icicles are like 15 feet long.